How to change password. Are you facing issue to change the password on Binance application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change password in Binance, first of all open Binance app on your mobile device. Once you open the Binance app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see this option verification, security and Twitter. Tap on security. After you click on security, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options like passkey, authenticator, email, password. We are looking to change password, right? Just simply tap on password. After you click on password, you need to write down the new password that you used before to log in into this account. As soon as you write down the password, now create a strong password that no one can guess it. For example, use at least 8 to 12 characters, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays, name, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your password on Binance application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.